Today we're discussing the world of trucking permits. If you're a trucker or involved in the trucking industry, you know that permits are a crucial part of the journey. But what exactly are they, and why are they so important? Trucking permits are essential documents that give you the green light to transport goods through different states and regions. Without these permits, you might face hefty fines or even be forced to halt your journey. So understanding them is key to keeping your wheels moving smoothly. There are several types of trucking permits, each serving a distinct purpose. First, we have the oversize and overweight permits. These are needed when your load exceeds standard legal limits in terms of weight, height, or width. Then there's the temporary trip permit, which allows a truck to operate in a state where it isn't registered. This is especially handy for those occasional trips outside your regular routes. Fuel permits are another critical type. If you're crossing state lines, you'll need these permits to comply with fuel tax regulations. And don't forget about the Unified Carrier Registration, which is essential for vehicles operating in interstate commerce. Now, I know this sounds like a lot to handle, and it can be, but that's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. As the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, we help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States stay compliant with FMCSA registration. Our expertise can save you time and ensure you're on the right side of the law. Back to permits. The process of obtaining them can be tedious. It involves filling out forms, understanding regulations, and sometimes navigating different state requirements. This is why having a knowledgeable partner like FMCSA Registration can make all the difference. We offer services to handle these complex tasks, so you don't have to worry about missing a step. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Now let's talk about why you should care about getting your permits right. Proper permits mean no unexpected stops, fines, or delays. They keep your business running efficiently and help you maintain a good reputation. Plus, they show your commitment to following the rules and regulations of the road. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or new to the industry, staying informed about the latest permit requirements is a must. Regulations can change, and keeping up to date ensures you don't get caught off guard. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to drive safe out there. Stay updated, stay legal, and keep those wheels turning. Until next time, take care.